Question number?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the 31st and 32nd one.
31st and 32nd.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Same doubt, ma'am.
Me also.
Me also.
31st one. Sec to the power 6 theta is equal to tan to the power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta sec square theta plus 1, right? Very easy. LHS. Sec to the power 6 theta. Can you write this as sec square theta whole cube? Is it possible to write this way?
Yes, ma'am.
Now sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta whole cube. Then use the formula of a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to
A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B.
So use this one, a cube, that is 1 cube, plus tan square theta whole cube, plus 3 into 1 into tan square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan to the power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into sec square theta. That's it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for some questions, if we rationalize, we don't get it because top we need sine square and also below it's a plus sign, but still can we rationalize it with a plus sign?
Yeah, sometimes it's with the numerator can be done.
Okay, ma'am. I mean, we can rationalize it with the numerator, right?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
After 31st, 32nd is the same way. There instead of sec to the power 6 theta, there is a cosec to the power 6 theta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 39th one is supposed to be simplifying them on both sides, ma'am.
39th one. No, one side only it will work.
Ma'am, I simplified it on RHS.
Can be done.
Ma'am, I simplified on both sides.
Why?
Ma'am,
39th one we have solved that kind of a question.
Ma'am, I couldn't get it.
Here, this exactly this kind.
Ma'am, I tried the exact same. I didn't get it, ma'am. I'll do it again, ma'am.
Do it again. The same method, exactly same one.
No, I did it in this way only, ma'am. So, which is why I was wondering whether we were supposed to be doing it both sides.
So it is square part is given now. So square keep as square only here and then divide the sets a square by b square.
Okay, ma'am.
So a square you can write a into a. And b square is cos square theta you will get. So cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. And then this do this. It cannot be done by both the ways.
Okay, ma'am.
There are specific questions. We know that is which has to be started from the RHS to get the LHS. Or both you have to solve separately.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for this question I solved the RHS.
So for rationalizing, you can do it. Exactly same opposite way you will get.
Yes, ma'am, I got is equal to sec a minus tan a whole square.
Yeah.
Ma'am, so right now for this question, if we solve on both the sides, we'll be
No,
getting
you will
marks.
not get marks. You lose marks. Some marks you lose.
Okay.
Next one, anything? Tia, which is the next one after 31?
Cosec 6 theta is equal to cot.
Same thing it is. Just like 6 sec to the power 6 theta is done. Exactly same way. Anything else? Everyone's everything done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Till which one you have completed?
46.
46th one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have doubt in 42nd one.
42nd. Convert denominator into sine and cos. Cos A by 1 minus 1 or sine A by cos A plus sine A by 1 minus cos A by sine A. Simplified denominator. Cos A minus sine A by cos A plus sine A by sine A minus cos A by sine A. Denominator fraction goes to the numerator reciprocal. Cos A into cos A by cos A minus sine A plus sine A into sine A by sine A minus cos A. What is a simplification we can do now further? What to be done?
And we have to change the sign.
Change the sign in the denominator. So this will become minus and this will become cos minus sine A. Denominator same, so subtract the numerator. Cos square A minus sine square A by cos A minus sine A. Numerator is A square minus B square. Cos A plus sine A by cos A minus sine A divided by cos A minus sine A. So bracket get cancelled. That is equal to
Okay, ma'am.
cos A plus sine A. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If completed, then the next question. One minus sine theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to 2 into 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. LHS is trinomial square. So use the property of trinomial square and open the bracket. A plus B plus C whole square. Do it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it's minus AB minus BC minus AC, right?
2AB, not minus, plus.
Okay, plus 2AB, no?
Yeah. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA.
Ma'am, after that, we just go on simplifying this.
Simplify. Yeah, keep simplifying after that.
Ma'am, can we take A plus B whole square in this?
A plus B. So what is A here?
1 minus sin theta.
But again, you have to this one find the square of that. So better than one time only take, no?
A plus B plus C whole square.
Yeah, because you will do that way also. You will get again A square as 1 minus sine theta whole square. Again, you have to
Oh,
open the bracket.
so better if you do directly. Okay,
Better
fine.
you do directly if you know. If it's a cube, then we will think of it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
final answer I'm getting 2 plus 2 open bracket sine theta minus sine theta into cos theta plus cos theta.
No, take common properly.
Ma'am, I got two into brackets 1 minus sine theta minus sine theta plus cos theta. Close bracket.
1 second. One plus sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta plus 2 cos theta. What do you need? 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus sine theta is needed. So sine square plus cos square is 1. 1 plus 1 minus 2 sine theta. Take common from these two. Into bracket 1 minus cos theta plus 2 cos theta. So here it is. This is 2. This 2 cos theta, take closer. 2 plus 2 cos theta minus 2 sine theta into 1 minus cos theta. Will not work. Hey, it is taken minus, so it is plus. This is plus. Then take 2 common. 1 plus cos theta minus 2 sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. Then these brackets are same. So 1 plus cos theta into second bracket 2 minus 2 sine theta. Take 2 common. So 1 plus cos theta into 2 into 1 minus sine theta. So 2 comes front. 2 into 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sine theta. Okay. Do proper simplification. Completed? Next question. Now type 2 questions. If sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, prove that cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to 1. Now these are the different types of questions where one value is given, one relation between anything is given, and they have asked to prove the second relation, other relations, whatever they have given. Earlier you were only proving LHS and RHS part. Now here some equation, some relation between the trigonometric identities is given, and then by using that you are proving the given statement. So now how you have to use the earlier statement. Some simplification has to be done according to the trigonometric identities. Now here we can write this as sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Can we write? Given thing. This is a given, so we are using it. So sine theta, this plus sine square theta will go other side as 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So sine theta is equal to cos square theta. Now in the same equation, if you substitute this value, sine theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1 they are given, right? So substitute the sine theta as cos square theta and sine square theta is cos square theta whole square is equal to 1. Now what is this is cos square theta, cos square to the square, that is cos to the power 4 theta, that is equal to 1. That is what they have asked.
Ma'am, how did you get sine square theta is equal to cos square theta to the whole square?
Sine theta is what?
Cos square theta.
So I have substituted the same value and then taken it to the square
Oh, okay, ma'am.
from the same equation given.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next question. This is 1, 2. If x is equal to a sine theta, y is equal to b tan theta, then prove that a square by x square minus b square by y square is equal to 1. X is equal to a sine theta, y is equal to b tan theta. Prove that a square by x square minus b square by y square is equal to 1. So what can be done here? Rose, can you tell me anything? Given equations, from that we have to prove this one. Yes?
Should we take a to the other side?
A to other side,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So it will become x by
X
a,
is equal to sine theta.
okay. But they're asking a by x. So they are asking a by x. So take the reciprocal. A by x is equal to 1 by sine theta. And here y by b is equal to tan theta. So b by y is equal to 1 by tan theta. Now they have asked a square by x square minus b square by y square. So what is a by x whole square? That is 1 square by sine square theta minus 1 square by tan square theta. So what is 1 by sine square theta? 1 by sine square is
Cosec square theta.
cosec square theta, and 1 minus tan square theta?
Cot square theta.
Cot square theta. Cosec square minus cot square theta?
1.
It's 1. So we got the answer. Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it's given a square by x square minus b square by y square, right?
Yeah.
Can't we simplify that?
What you will get by simplifying?
I mean, till we get some very easy value can be simplified.
You cannot. You will
Why?
not get it. How? Which one value you will get simplified value? A square y square minus b square x square by x square y square. So how much complicated it will go?
Okay, ma'am.
You can do that one, but very lengthy method. Then after substituting the value of x square and y square, again you keep on simplifying. Two places you have to substitute the values, and two places you keep on simplifying. It will much more lengthier method. Second one, very important. All these questions of this type are very important. Every question is asked multiple times. So now, very important one. If cos theta plus sin theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Prove that cos theta minus sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Here 3 methods are there, but generally I will suggest the method which is applicable for many questions, not for the one question, it is a multiple questions. We have given this value and the opposite value, the same terms but with the opposite sign they have asked. So we will consider, let cos theta minus sin theta is equal to x. So we have to find out this value of x as root 2 sin theta. So this is the value x. So we have to calculate the value x. For that, what you have to do is take the square of this term plus square of this term. So it is cos theta plus sin theta whole square plus cos theta minus sin theta whole square. And that is equal to, value of this we know, it is root 2 cos theta whole square plus x square. Value of this is x square. X we have taken, so x square. So by simplifying this equation, we have to calculate the value of x. So that is our thing has to be done. So it is, open the bracket, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 cos theta sin theta. That is equal to 2 cos square theta plus x square. So here it is 2 cos theta sin theta minus 2 cos theta sin theta cancel. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square theta plus x square. So it is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, and this 2 cos square theta comes this side, 2 cos square theta is equal to x square. So 2 into bracket 1 minus cos square theta is equal to x square. So 2 into 1 minus cos square is sin square theta is equal to x square. Then take the square root. Root 2 sin theta is equal to x. So which value we have considered x? Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to x, that is equal to root 2 sin theta. This is the simplest method and which is applicable for 5-6 similar type of questions are there. It is applicable for all of them. Now there is two more methods are there. So I will tell you that also. So here it is, first what they have given, method 2. They have given cos theta minus sin theta whole square, sorry, we have to take it as square, is equal to root 2 cos theta whole square. They have given minus or plus value? Plus values they have given, sorry. So now open this bracket, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Now bring this and this term on other side, RHS. So 2 cos theta sin theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 2 cos theta into sin theta. So now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So substitute as a plus b into a minus b. Cos theta minus sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta. That is equal to 2 cos theta into sin theta. Value of cos theta plus sin theta is known. cos theta minus sin theta into root 2 cos theta. Substitute here and take it on other side. So it is 2 cos theta sin theta divided by root 2 cos theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. So cos theta cancel. 2 by root 2 is root 2 into sin theta is equal to cos theta minus sin theta. So these are the two methods. And this is important question, most of the time asked question. Any one of the exam, this will be there. Your school exam also. Any one of the exam, you will get this question. Is that clear?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so which method would you prefer? Which is more easier?
I prefer first one because this is the one method you can apply all of them. Second method is not applicable for all of them.
Okay, ma'am.
I will give you all the questions one below the. After this, I will give you all the questions.
Ma'am, so should we copy both the methods or only the
Right
first?
now, both the methods copy down first.
Okay, ma'am.
Because now it depends on the teachers. Board don't have a problem, but with teachers, sometimes teachers won't consider this method. Some of the teachers, not all. This is RS Agarwal they have given. The older RS Agarwal, this was the method. Older one.
Ma'am, but we can use the first method in the board exam, right?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Completed?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I don't understand the second last step. Like 2 cos theta sin theta by root 2 cos theta. There you cancelled out the cos theta. So what about, how will root 2 come top?
2 values. 2 is root 2 into root 2, no?
Oh, okay.
1 root 2 cancel.
Okay, okay.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone finished?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question, similar type. If A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to M and A sin theta minus, sorry, not this one, A cos theta minus B sin theta, sorry, that question was different. Minus B sin theta is equal to C. Prove that A sin theta plus B cos theta is equal to plus or minus square root of A square plus B square minus C square. Exactly same first method, you can use it here. Consider the second term which you have to prove, that is equal to x, and find the value of x. Square this part plus square this part is equal to c square plus x square, and find the value of x square.
Here x is equal to the plus or minus root, no, ma'am?
Yeah, square root here also you'll get when you're taking the square root of x. Here x square is equal to 2 sine square theta. When you take the square root, it will be plus minus root 2.
Okay, ma'am. So here it will be the plus or minus.
Yeah, everything's that will come in this one, because x square is equal to, you will get a square plus b square plus c square.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, by squaring a cos theta and minus b sin theta, does this square apply to a and b as well?
What?
Ma'am, we're supposed to be squaring a cos theta minus b sin theta, right?
Yeah.
So does the square apply to only a as well?
Yeah, a also. A cos theta means a square cos square theta.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the question is a cos theta minus b sin
Minus
theta
b
is equal
sin
to
theta. C.
1c.
No, not 1c, it's c.
Oh.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
so now a cos square theta plus b sin square theta, can I write that as 1 or no?
No, you cannot.
Okay.
After adding, you have to take a square common. After adding the squares of both the sides, take a square common. And then cos square theta plus sin square theta you will get. Then you can write that as 1.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what about minus a into cos theta b sin theta and
Both get
plus?
cancelled, no. If you take the product, it is minus 2ab cos theta sin theta, and the second one is plus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Both are same with opposite sign, so you can cancel.
Ma'am, but it's a cos theta and a sin theta, right? So how do I cancel it?
Arey yaar, it is when you take the full product, what will be the product?
AB.
2ab cos theta sin theta.
Yeah.
The second one is
2ab sin theta cos theta.
so are they same or different?
Yeah, they're same.
Then with opposite sign.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got the fourth one.
No, exactly same fifth one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I got a square cos square theta plus a square cos square theta plus b square cos square theta plus b square cos square theta. What do I do now?
Yes, simple question. Why you are making this much complicated?
ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡು ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಮಾಡು ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ
A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta, that is equal to c square plus x square. So this and this cancel. Here take a square common, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus b square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to c square plus x square. So this value is 1, this value is 1. So this is a square plus b square is equal to c square plus x square. Then x square, this one is equal to a square plus b square minus c square is equal to x square. So x is equal to square root of a square plus b square minus c square plus and minus. The next fifth and sixth question exactly same.
Yes, ma'am. Fifth question I did.
Same sixth one. Completed?
Ma'am, I'm doing 6.
Ma'am,
Yes.
for this also, is it plus or minus 2?
Yeah.
So for everything, it will be plus or minus the answer.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Everyone completed?
Ma'am, so even the root 2 sine theta should be plus or minus, right?
Yes. Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nivedya, Rose, Tia, have you finished? Nisarga?
Yes, ma'am, finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. If A cos theta plus B sin theta is equal to M, A sin theta minus B cos theta is equal to N. Prove that A square plus B square is equal to M square plus N square. So it is, start with this, what they have asked to prove. A square plus B square is equal to M square plus N square. It is not possible to get the value of A square plus B square immediately from this question. But these values are M and N already we have. So start with M square plus N square is equal to, what is M square? A cos theta plus B sin theta whole square, plus N is A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square. So this is equal to, open the bracket, a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab cos theta sin theta. Now again the square of second plus a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. So this and this term is exactly same. This is positive, this is negative, cancelled. Now this one take a square common, a square into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus b square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta. So bracket value is 1. So this is a square into 1 plus b square into 1. So that is equal to a square plus b square, which is equal to m square plus n square.
Ma'am, this question will be for 3 marks.
2 marks.
2.
Yeah.
Oh.
Completed? Then exactly similar type of questions I'm taking all.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. X is equal to R sin A cos C. Y is equal to R sin A sin C. And Z is equal to R cos A. Then prove that R square is equal to X square plus Y square plus Z square. So start with the given things. Sorry, not given. What they have asked to prove. So here we have the value of X value we have, Y we have, and Z we have. So we'll start with better X square plus Y square plus Z square. X square plus Y square plus Z square. What is X square? This is a product. So take the square of everything. R square sin square A cos square C plus R square sin square A sin square C plus Z square is R square cos square A. These are the products, so there is no need of A plus B whole square. Directly square of everything. Just like AB whole square is A square B square. Now this is one term, this is second term, and this is third term. R square is common, take that one. Then it is sin square A cos square C plus sin square A sin square C plus cos square A. Now R square, from these two terms, sin square A is common, take that one out, sin square A. So in bracket it is cos square C plus sin square C plus cos square A. So this value is sin square C plus cos square C is 1. So therefore it is left as sin square A into 1, that is sin square A plus cos square A into R square. So this is equal to R square into 1 is R square. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
These are actually easier as compared to the earlier one. So homework will be next questions from 47 to 57. 10 questions, 11 questions.
Okay, ma'am.
47 to 57. So I'm coming in for 2 minutes. RD.
Okay, ma'am.
Give me 2 minutes, I will come back.